I have these mouse ThrowPacks. I'm going to put these on the front porch. It says it's perfect for both professional and do-it-yourself use. Easy to use bait pellets for indoor and outdoor use. Naturally derived mouse control. Here is a list of the actual ingredients. And you're just supposed to kind of toss them out where you don't want mice to be. You just throw them in there and I guess they eat them. You don't have to open them up or anything. Prior to treatment, all likely food sources must be removed or unavailable to mice. Place bait throw packs at bait points or signs of mouse activity, such as fresh droppings inside or near where mouse runs feeding area. Place MouseX throw packs approximately 6 feet apart. Alright. It's weird that you don't have to open it up, but you put those on the front porch. If you look closely at the lower left side, you'll see the rat or mouse or whatever it is running behind the rocking chair towards the fern. And then he comes out on the front step heading toward the flashing light, which is supposed to be a deterrent, and then runs back. You have to watch it really, really quickly. So I know that there's a rat out there and it's big enough to trigger my blink cameras. So I know that rats can eat baking soda and it's supposed to blow them up, so I set this out on Tuesday night. Here's the baking soda 2 days later. It looks like something's been in it. What do you think? Mouse? Allegedly, if mice or rats eat baking soda, it causes a gas in their stomach that their bodies cannot digest, and they kind of like die from internal explosion. I hope they're eating it. Unfortunately, despite the fact that I have what's supposed to be an ultrasonic mouse repeller on the front porch, I have seen some signs of mouse droppings right beside it. On my door frame. I'm not having that. There are even some going up and down the door frame. I also have that little ultrasonic mouse device going. Same area. That didn't work. And I have this that has effectively kept the raccoons from getting on my front porch. We're going to put some of these. The mouse throw packs are supposed to be easy to use. You literally just toss them where you see activity of mice. And the mice are supposed to chew through the cellophane and eat the all-natural ingredients in there, which are not harmful to pets or to humans. And then the rats go off back to their house and they are supposed to die. Sounds easy, right? Put one at the edge of the porch. I guess I'll put one about halfway. See what happens. I have used peppermint oil. I sprayed it all over here. I actually poured this on my steps. Didn't work. I have the scarecrow. I sprinkled essential oils. Didn't work. I have a rodent repeller. Didn't work on some of these rats. And now I've got vinegar and dish soap sprinkled on the steps and chili pepper. See if they cross that. And I throw all of my hot peppers out. For me, these throw packets were completely and totally useless. Nothing tried to even chew into them at all. And rats are not supposed to like peppermint, but here one clearly was climbing around on the bottle and did his business there. There's rat dookie right here. They walked right past where I sprayed bug spray, peppermint oil. Here's another one that's untouched. Here's another one untouched. There's the other one untouched, and the one at the far end of the porch untouched. So those are a no. Did not work for me. A waste of my money. Maybe you will have better results. If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. Thanks for watching. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Consider subscribing to my channel or to playlists that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help them remember, whether the product works or not, we are the dominant species.